Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. I picked this case up from Amazon. I need to give a shout out to one of my viewers of one of the other cases I did, recommended me picking up this case. So I went to Amazon, looked at it. It looks very interesting. It has some attachments that you can buy for it, that you can, do multiple things with it. It even has a cutout where it's a magnet that you can stick to any metal surface. Put it on like your fridge if you want to wash something. I don't know, jam out to something on your, while you're cooking or something. Any metal surface this magnet will hold. Then if you don't want to have it, you can just have it where you can use your MagSafe stuff and still do wireless charging and use your pen. So there's many different attachments you can buy. I picked up the case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does everything fit? Can you wireless charge, which shouldn't be a problem? And just does it add bulk to your phone? But I like the packaging from Rokform. I have never used them before. It says Beyond Protection up there. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. But nice presentation. Look, what's inside? It says the MagSafe-compatible magnet system. So it has a lower integrated magnet for hands-free on any magnetic surface or Rokform magnetic mounts. So when you open it up, you get a nice little note. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can read that too. So here's the case itself. I like that design. So you can punch out these little holes here, some kind of way. And if you want just a magnet in here, it even has instructions. Let's take that out. Let's put all this stuff on the side too. So here's the magnet itself. So if you want to stick this to something metal, you can do that. And you just pop this out. Let's try that again. So I'm gonna just pop it in like this. Let's see if I have anything metal. So I have this microphone arm, so it will hold it there. And actually it's pretty strong too. So you can mount it anywhere that's metal. It will stick to it. Keep your phone in there. Or if you want wireless charge, you just pop it out. And then you can put this one back in there. So just like that. Let's put the phone in there. All right, so how you want to insert this thing? I just started at the bottom. It's definitely a nice thin case. You get, look how much lip protection you get from this case. I mean, that is not touching the ground at all. You also get a great camera cut out there. And you can take off this sticker too that says "Scam Me." So you take off that sticker. So you get the camera protection you're looking for. You get that lip action. You have the magnetic MagSafe stuff on there. Little Rokform branding. You have the pen that's easy to get out. I like how they do that design too. It comes down. Everything lines up at the bottom, as you can tell there. Everything at the top. That's how the power button is nice and tactile. I have an update. Volume rockers are nice and easy to press. Man, I definitely like this case. Now, the one thing, it will add some bulk. It makes the phone a little bit heavier, and it's a bigger case, so you definitely, you know, going to feel the size of this case. Now, can you wireless charge? Again, I don't think you have a problem. As long as you don't have the magnetic thing in there, you can wireless charge. And this magnet, even with, man, okay. Even with the MagSafe in there, without the magnet, it is strong. Like, that's probably one of the strongest magnets I have. With just having man, that is definitely on there. Now, they say you can take some drops with this. Like, I don't think I'm gonna drop my phone too high, but there you go. Safe. I mean, no cracks, none damage to the case itself. But this is definitely, I will be rocking this case for a while. Yes, it does add bulk. I mean, you can see it there. You can see it from this angle. But I will definitely be rocking this. I like this one. Because I can just go put this on my fridge, turn on some music, and jam out. And not worry about dropping the phone. Plus the MagSafe on there is so strong. I will be getting more attachments. Maybe I can show that to y'all too. But I do have something not from them, but if you have a wallet, I mean, that magnet is strong, yo. So if you want to check out this case for yourself, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely get it from Amazon. But like I've been doing, so the overall fit is good. I mean, that is nice and snug pretty much. And this takes a little bit to get off. So you're going to really have to drop this to get it popping off the phone out the case. So the case is good. It fits really good. Love the little magnetic little clip here that you can change out. I love how the MagSafe is strong. I love the grip that you have with it. The overall protection from, you know, your display. And then also the camera cutout is great. So overall, this case is really good. Again, like I said, look for the description. I will have the links there if you want to pick it up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. And again, drop your phone, throw it around. It will last with this case on there. Y'all have a great day. Peace. I'm out.